continuous ship unloader. If you're looking for mega, well, you just hit the mother lode. Used to collect and channel coal that fuels a nearby electric power plant, Tequinte Intellimpiante's continuous ship unloader soars 149 feet. That's 15 stories. Stretches 300 feet. That's the length of a football field. And weighs a dock Boeing 1,600 tons, or 3.2 million pounds. So what's better than one of these machines? How about two? This dino-sized duo can saddle up to a ship laden with coal and sink their 9-story reclaiming booms deep into its bowels. Set these machines a scooping, and they'll average an astonishing 2,800 tons an hour. In fact, give them a day, and they'll shovel, scoop, and shuck as much as 86,000 tons of coal. That is the weight of an aircraft carrier. You know what? It's good to be big. You'll find these machines on the Pacific coast of Mexico, in the port of Petacalco. That's where a ship laden with 100,000 tons of coal has just arrived.
Each ship unloader is able to unload 1,800 tons per hour. That's the maximum capacity, which means that we are able to unload 43,000 tons per day.
Or roughly enough coal to power up Mexico City for 24 hours. And these machines are not only fast, they're also environmentally friendly. 10 miles of conveyors and belts move the coal from the ship's cargo hold to its final destination, the power station, doing away with the pollution caused by haul trucks, loading shovels, and messy piles of coal. So how does this unloader work? Well, let's take a tour.
Okay, so this is a bogie. Each bogie has 2 wheels. The main function of moving the machine is in order to unload the boat. Okay, each boat has between 7 to 9 holes. We need this machine to move along the 300 meters of the dock in order to enter in one of the 7 holes of the boat. Okay, what we are looking here is the extreme part of the foot of the machine. What's happened here is that once this part is inside the boat, the bucket scoops the coal and bring up the arm of the machine. Okay, we have 64 buckets. Each bucket has a capacity of 660 pounds. We are now standing on the arm of the ship unloader, which stretches around 150 feet, and this is where the coal goes down. Okay, we are just right now in the middle of the ship unloader. We stand in the main point where the turret swings the arm over the boat. So here we make all the swinging movement of the arm. The arm now is over there, and on this side you can see the counterweight. The counterweight serves to balance the weight of the arm against the weight of the whole machine. As you see, the arm is just swing out from the dock over the boat. Buckets are over the coal, and we can start.
But don't look to the tiny man atop the machine to maneuver this 1,600-ton Titan. Truth is, this entire machine runs like a remote-controlled toy.
We have two operators on the machine. One is on the boat and very near to where the unloader is unloading the coal. And the other one is on the main control room, and let's say he's not the guy who's actually moving and operating the machine.
Nope, it's the guy shipside that gets all the glory. Everything is controlled through his two joysticks. A device little different from those used by children to run remote-controlled cars. But with workers on deck of a floating ship that can shift in a second, lose focus, or flick that joystick the wrong way, and this unloader could unload on you.
Let's say that the most danger we have in this type of operation is when we have the boat moving. You can have movements of 2 to 4 meters. That's when the operator has to pay a lot of attention, and we have to stop unloading the boat, because the operator cannot predict in which direction the boat will move. And this machine is very difficult to react quickly.
If the weather stays fair and the ship steady, these enormous unloaders won't waste a second. Running 24 hours, day and night, and into day again, until every last crumb of coal has been collected.
And I think I got it nailed down, Brad. I think I can hang with you.
I don't think so, Tony.
Are you sure about that?
I'm very sure about that.
Well, how about we do a little bit of a challenge where see who can build the biggest mound of mulch in 45 seconds.
That sounds good.
Hopefully it won't be the size of you, it'll be the size of me, and I'll win.
Yeah, if it's me grinding.
Yeah. Check it out, man. I think the pile's almost as tall as you are.
Just about, Tony. I'm going to do my best to see if I can make one quite as big as you. I'll be right back.
Discovery 星期天话题